Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be using dip powders from Moondust Nail Dips, and this is a little shop on Etsy, and I'm super excited to try out these dips, and we're going to do a fun retro ombre mani. So the first color here is called Vogue, and it is a beautiful teal bluish green, and it's super stunning, and it's giving me that retro Christmas vibe. It definitely pulls a little bit more greener. And then we have this beautiful bright red, and this color here, it's called Hot Red. Now this is a bright vibrant red. Check out how bright red this is. It is beautiful and stunning. It is definitely the perfect name, called Hot Red. And then we're going to add a touch of sparkle to some of the nails here. We're going to use Mirage, and it's a beautiful fine semi-chunky glitter mix, and it has some blues, some teal, some pinks in there. It's overall super pretty, and it has like that kind of retro Christmas vibe to it. And then here's all the three colors together. I think they go together perfectly, and it's going to be a really fun ombre mani. So we're going to be doing press-ons, we're going to be doing the gel method, and then we're going to be using those Wet n Wild brushes to do the ombre as well. So right now I'm going to go ahead and apply the gel base, and then I'm going to start with Vogue. And we're going to just tap that onto the nail. And when you're working with gels, you don't have to rush versus when you're using dip liquids, because the gel will not dry until you cure it. And if you're using dip liquids, depending on what dip liquids you're using, the dry time may vary. So I'm going to start here with Vogue, and then we're going to jump into Hot Red. And then at the end, we'll add a little glitter to one of the nails for like a really awesome accent nail. All right, so let's jump into this mani process, and I'll pop back in at the end. All right, we're just wrapping up this mani here, and I really like how this turned out. It's definitely giving me all those retro Christmas vibes, and I really liked how these powders apply. They didn't come out patchy, and they're very vibrant, and that glitter is simply beautiful. So I can't wait to try the other couple dips that I have from Moondust Nail Dips. If these colors aren't your jam, don't worry. Moondust Nail Dips has tons of other colors on the Etsy shop. They even have cuticle oil. They have a really pretty precision tool, and they have dip liquids. So I will go ahead and link everything in the description box below that we used in today's mani, including everything you need to do your own custom press-ons at home. And definitely head over to the Instagram or the Etsy shop to check out Moondust Nail Dips, and I'll see you in the next upload.